Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. Today I've got something really exciting for you. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the brand new Digifon Boomax Elite. I've been waiting to get my hands on this, and trust me, you want to see what it can do. Alright, let's dive straight into the box. As you can see, the package looks sleek and premium. Opening it up, we have got the Boomax Elite right here, nicely wrapped inside. You will also find the charging cable, the manual, and the manual about the other product. Everything inside this box is neatly arranged, which is always a good first impression. Now, let's take a closer look at the Boomax Elite itself. First thing I notice, the design. It looks modern, stylish, and it feels solid in the hand. The build quality is definitely premium, and I really like this color black. It's finished materials and it's looking good. If you are about to look, this device won't disappoint. If it's about looks, this device won't disappoint. So, what makes this Boomax Elite special? Well, the good sound, the battery is last, and the sound quality of this device is very nice. Trust me, you are going to fall in love with the sound. Then it has TF card slot and auxiliary, and also it has built-in mic which you can use to make calls, and the connectivity, the Bluetooth connectivity is 5.3 to transfer faster speed, larger transfer, and a stronger signal with a low power consumption. If you have this Boomax Elite, if you have two of it, you can also pair the two together and play stereo sounds. This Boomax is also IP7 waterproof. The Boomax speaker can be submerged in water up to 1 meter for 30 minutes without any damage. Let's power it on and check it out. Connect, pairing is super easy, and within seconds it's ready to go. I am going to be doing a sound test in a while, so just make sure you stay and you don't go anywhere to hear the sound. I'll be comparing the sound with Zilot S67, so that you can know the difference. You can know if you're someone that wants to get the Boomax Elite, Digifon Boomax Elite, then you have Zilot S67, then you can hear the sound. But I would advise you use an headphone to listen to the sound. that's my unboxing and first impression of the Digifon Boomax Elite. If you are looking for a portable speaker that combines style, durability and amazing sound, this might just be the one. What do you think, guys? Would you get the Boomax Elite? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel for more unboxing and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you up in the next video. Thanks.